Hey guys, this is CA Parul Agarwal. Today I thought to discuss with you all the mistakes that CA students must avoid during their exams. There are a lot of mistakes which need to be avoided, and if you don't avoid them, we may spoil our papers or we might end up reappearing for our exams. So I thought it would be better if we are aware of these mistakes well in advance and we can plan accordingly to avoid them. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So, the mistake number one is focusing too much on one question or the lack of time management during CA exams. In CA, we need to attempt 6 questions, out of which 5 are of 16 marks and 1 is of 20 marks. So, we can devote maximum 25 minutes for a 16-mark question. Sometimes, when a tricky question comes, students, in their attempt to solve that question, end up losing 1 hour, and as a result we are not able to complete that paper and we might end up failing in that particular subject. What needs to be understand, guys, no matter how difficult and tricky that question is, it is going to fetch you only 16 marks. So it's better you should so it's better as soon as you cross that 25-minute mark, you should immediately stop that question and focus on other question. You can leave 1 or 2 sheets and can come back on that question if time permits you to do so. In CA, what needs to be understood, if you are attempting an 100-mark paper, only then you can think of getting somewhere between 60 to 80. If you are attempting a paper of only 60 marks, then there are very remote chances of you even clearing it. Mistake number two is not utilizing the 15-minute reading time that we get properly. In this 15-minute time, we need to read the question paper and mark the sequence in which we'll be attempting the questions in our paper. The question paper consists of questions that we know and sometimes a question we don't know. Guys, what we need to understand that the question which we know the best needs to be attempted first, and the question we don't know needs to be attempted at last. The third mistake is not revising from your old notes. Picking up new notes on the day before your exams can be suicidal for you. So it's better you stick to your old notes and revise from them. Also, I would recommend you to make a plan of the day before your exams. I have talked about one day before exam planning in my previous video. If you want, you can check that out. Sometimes, when the paper is difficult or tricky, the students get disheartened and they move out of the examination hall thinking that they can't clear this exam. And instead of wasting time in writing this exam, they should probably focus on the next exam. If a paper is difficult, it's difficult for everyone, not only for you. And there are chances that ICI may give you some grace marks or there might be some lenient checking. There are a lot of cases when people have ended up getting more marks in the difficult exam. So don't get disheartened, don't don't lose hope, and don't just move out of your exam hall. Try till your last. I'll share my own story. When I was appearing for my first exam, my accounts paper didn't go well due to some reasons, and I got really disheartened because accounts is a subject in which we all are aiming for 60 plus. I was constantly crying, reading reviews of students on how lengthy the paper was, and watching analysis video. I didn't study at all for SFM. I didn't revise any of the formulas. इससे क्या हुआ, एस एफ एम का पेपर जो बहुत ईजी आया था, एस एफ एम पेपर केम entirely for practice from practice manual. Because I haven't revised any of the thing, I was not able to do that paper properly. And when the results came out, I did manage to pass in accounts but flunked in SFM. Guys, अगर आप कोई प्रोफेशनल एग्ज़ाम का पेपर दे रहे हो, कोई भी हो, CA CS CMA, यू नीड टू बी इमोशनली स्ट्रॉन्ग एज वेल, अगर अगर कोई पेपर ख़राब हो जाता है, जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट पेपर एंड फोकस ऑन अदर. एक पेपर की वजह से डोंट स्पॉइल योर अदर पेपर्स. एंड ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, जो पेपर ख़राब जाता है उसमें हम पास हो जाते हैं एंड बाकी पेपर में हम फेल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज़ हम पढ़ते नहीं हैं। That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel.